Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. As you all know, I only share the remedies here that I apply on myself, on my skin, on my hands and feet, on my hairs, that have the good result actually, and I decided that remedies to share on my YouTube channel here for you only. So let's get started today's video. I'm going to share with you a ice cube pack for your face that actually works on your skin, a very beneficial, and that if you have the puffiness on or your eyes, if you have the blemishes, if you have the open pores issue, and if you have the dullness on your face, then this remedy is for you. You must try this remedy at least once. You can see the magical result after the first application of this remedy. I'm going to share with you how to make this ice cube. So let's get started. That part 1. To make this ice cube, you need a potato and cucumber of this medium size. I'm going to peel the potato and grate it like this, and then squeeze all the juice from the potato. You can use a soft cloth or a strainer to squeeze the juice. Same I did with the cucumber. Grate the cucumber and squeeze all the water from the cucumber in a same bowl. Next, I am going to add a ground rice. If you don't have the ground rice, you can put the normal rice in the mixie jar and grind them and use in this remedy. Almost 3 to 4 tablespoons I used to make a paste like form. So add enough gentle amount to make a pasty form. It depends how many spoons you adding. So make a good gentle paste like form and then place it in ice cube tray and leave it in a freezer for overnight, and it's ready to use. Next part is the application, how you gonna apply these ice cubes on your face. So take a 1 cube and gently rub on your face until it all melt and give all the freeze product on your face. So please gently rub it on your face because it contains the rice flour in it, ground rice, which sometimes gives you a rashes. So who they have the sensitive skin, please do not use this remedy. If you have the dry skin or normal to dry skin or normal skin, you can apply this and all over your face. Do not rub too quick or too harsh on your face because your face is sensitive, so the skin is soft, so you need to apply very gently on your face like this. You need to leave this for 20 minutes to dry. After this, you need to wet your hand and massage this very gently and remove this. Please do not scrub it on your face and do not too much rub around your eyes, this skin on your eyelids. This is the result after the first application of this remedy. So must try this remedy. You need to gently massage it that all the products spread on your face nicely, and then leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will show you how to remove. Okay, it's been 20 minutes now. It's time to remove. It's all dry. So let's wet your hands with the normal water and gently massage with a very soft hand. It's all like powder form now because it's dry, so it comes out very easily. Now it's time to wash it with the lukewarm water. This is my face without the ring light or without any filter. You can see the natural glow on my face. So let's on the ring light. So you can see the shine on my face with the ring light and without the ring light. So this is the actually glow. So this is the magic of this remedy. So you must try this remedy, and I hope you like the video and stay tuned for the next one.